Have you ever wondered which is hotter, a bolt of lightning or the surface of the sun? Let's unveil an astonishing revelation. Contrary to what you might intuitively think, a bolt of lightning far surpasses the sun's surface in terms of temperature. It reaches an average of 30,000 Kelvin, while the sun's surface hovers around 6,000 Kelvin. This means a lightning bolt is a staggering 5 times hotter. Yes, you heard it right. A bolt of lightning is 5 times hotter than the surface of the sun. So why is a bolt of lightning hotter than the surface of the sun? It's all about the science of temperature and energy. Temperature, at its most basic, is a measure of the average kinetic energy of particles in a substance. Kinetic energy is just a fancy term for the energy of motion. When particles are moving faster, they have more kinetic energy, and thus a higher temperature. Now let's talk about lightning. Lightning is caused by a buildup of electrical energy in a cloud. When this energy is released, it forms a channel of ionized air or plasma. This plasma is incredibly hot, reaching temperatures of around 50,000 degrees Fahrenheit. That's over 5 times hotter than the surface of the sun. But why is the sun, a massive ball of burning gas, cooler than a bolt of lightning? Well, it's all about how the heat is distributed. The sun's heat is spread out over a much larger area. Its surface area is about 10,000 times larger than the Earth's. So, while the sun produces a lot more heat overall, its surface temperature is actually lower because that heat is spread out. Contrast this with a bolt of lightning. All that energy is concentrated in a small area, which raises the temperature dramatically. So, it's the concentration of energy in a small area that makes a bolt of lightning hotter than the vast surface of the sun. So, let's recap why a bolt of lightning is hotter than the surface of the sun. A lightning bolt can reach temperatures of about 50,000 degrees Fahrenheit, a staggering 5 times hotter than the sun's surface. This difference is due to the science of temperature and energy. Temperature, you see, is a measure of the average kinetic energy of the particles in a substance. In a bolt of lightning, the energy is concentrated in a much smaller area, which means the particles move with greater speed and thus higher energy. On the other hand, the sun's energy, though immense, is spread out over a larger area. So, despite being the powerhouse of our solar system, the surface of the sun is cooler than a lightning bolt. Isn't that something? So next time you witness a bolt of lightning, remember, you're watching something hotter than the surface of the sun.